Good morning, first grade. Miss Webb again this morning. I'm here to do your number talk today. And just really quickly, our new learning objective in math is going to be adding within 100. And I know Miss Herman and some other teachers will be getting into detail with you doing that with your math lesson. But I thought I would keep that in mind as we did our number talk today. So we are going to do something that my class loves. And I know a lot of you probably have done this before. We're going to play Hit the Target. So I'm going to show you a number. And then I'm going to show you numbers underneath the big target number, and you have to use those numbers to get to your target number. So let's just go ahead and get started. I want you to be thinking about strategies to get to your target number, like making a friendly 10 or maybe finding doubles. You might have to decompose a number. Remember, decomposing is to break apart a number to maybe find a double. So let's see what you can come up with, okay? Our target number today is number 17. So I want you to use these numbers down below only one time and try to come up with combinations or ways to get to number 17. You can pause this video to think about it. You know, in class, we usually give a thumbs up in front of our bodies when we're ready, but we're at home, so you guys can just pause it and think about your answers, and then I'm going to go ahead and move on and show you what answers that I came up with, okay? So to find number 17, the first thing I thought of was to make a friendly 10, because adding to a 10 is very easy. So I found two numbers that I knew together make 10, because those were two of the choices at the bottom. But then I had to get to 17, not just to 10. So I also know that the combination of 5 and 2 makes 7. So let's see how we can add this together and see if I got to the target number. I wonder if you did the same thing I did. I know that 6 and 4 is 10, and I know that 5 and 2 equals 7, right? And now the easy part is just adding those two together. 10 and 7 is 17. Did you get it? Did you do it like that? I bet you might have came up with a different way. I'm going to show you another way to do it that I thought of, and I wonder if you came up with this way. Another thing I thought of was to look for doubles. Now, I already know that 8 plus 8 is 16. And 16 is very close to the number 17. So I thought if I can get to 16, it'd be easy to get to one more to make 17. The problem was I only saw one 8. So what I decided to do was to make another 8. So I have 8 plus 6 plus 2. Those are numbers that I could use down below. So I know that 6 plus 2 is 8. So now I've got 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is not my target number yet. That was the double I was trying to reach. 8 plus 8 is 16. But now I can use that 1 down below because I know that just 1 more than 16 equals 17. So 16 plus 1 more equals my target number. Did you do it that way? Okay, the next target number is 16. So the numbers that you can use to get to your target, to hit your target number, would be 8, 7, 9, 11, and 5. So I want you to think about it. Use your mental math. Think about your strategies you can use to solve this one. And I'm going to, you can pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and show you the ones that I came up with. So I was thinking about doubles again, and I remember from the last number that 8 plus 8 was 16, but I don't have two 8s to add again. I have to do something to some of these numbers. So I'm going to have 8 up here, but then I need to take apart a number. I need to decompose a number to get another 8. So I decided to use the 9 and break that 9 apart. So I'm going to break down my 9. I'm going to decompose my 9 into 8 and 1, because 8 and 1 is 9. We know that with our number bonds, if you can remember those. So now I have broken apart my 9, and I can use that 8 from my 9 to add it to my other 8. So now I've got 8 plus 8. And I hit my target number. Did you do it that way? So now I've got one more to do. I wanted to try to do a friendly 10. I wonder if you try to get to a friendly 10 like I did. So the other one I did was 9 plus 7, because I know that 9 is very close to 7 or to 10, and if I were to just borrow 1 from the 7 and bring it to the 9, it would make a 10. And so that's what I did, and that's how I got my 10 down here. I added one of the ones, took it and brought it over to the 9 to make my 10. But remember, if you do that, you have to remember that you took a 1 away, so the 7 became a 6 because you had to use one of the ones to make that 9 a 10. So the 7 became a 6. But now I've got 10 plus 6, and I know 10 and 6 is 16, and I hit my target number again. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Miss you so much.